Good morning, good evening. It is only 2 o'clock right now. Yeah, time schedule kind of been a little crooked today, but anyways, hello. Hope you guys have an amazing day. It's kind of cold out. Well, really cold out. But yeah, good thing we had these last 2 days nice days because now it's getting to be cold again. But hope you guys staying positive, keep pushing through, never give up. Don't let life stop you or stop what you got going on. Just push through and work for what you have to do. Work around all the difficulties and all the struggles. Get past all of that and just believe in yourself. The sun is out, but the sun ain't making a difference, y'all. It's so cold. But yeah, the girl in the house eating. Milana's asleep. She's been asleep not long ago. I was just watching TV. And yeah, y'all, so if you guys have any ideas for us to do videos, just comment down below. We have a lot of videos coming out. Sorry. We have a lot of videos coming out soon, but until then, you guys can drop some ideas as well, and those can just be more ideas that we have to come out. But yeah, Zay's birthday is Tuesday, so I want to make sure I try to vlog as much as I can, if I even can. I don't know, he has to have a busy day on that day, because of course, you know, getting stuff together and everything. But yeah, make sure y'all tell Zay happy birthday. Anyways, so we're just chilling. Zay's over there working on some stuff, and yeah. But can't really do too much because it's so cold. But my days ain't going well. I made his coffee this morning, put the girl in the tub, and I was what Zay's mom cooked. I'm not even sure she cooked macaroni and Salisbury steak, I think. I don't know. But yeah, so anyways, I'll catch y'all in the next clip. Yeah, so peace.
Mama.
Hi.
How you doing today?
I'm doing amazing. How are you?
I am doing fantastic.
Look at them.
Clouds.
Outside, like it's just, I don't know, it looks like it's gonna rain.
You ain't see the sunset?
Yes, it was all the way over there.
Yeah.
It was bright and beautiful. I can't, Mama.
I can't.
No, I'm not picking you up. You gotta walk. No, look, Sissy walk. Let's walk. Come on, hold my hand. We're gonna walk. It's okay, we're gonna walk some more, okay? Come on, here.
Yeah. Oh, that shit.
What?
Down.
No.
Walk.
Hello, girls. Y'all walk with Daddy?
Yeah.
Y'all skin complexion is so pretty. Hi, Zay.
I'm good.
So the sun was over there, but I guess it's down now. But the weather is crazy. Y'all look at all these leaves.
Daddy.
Oh, she's telling Daddy, come on, Daddy, dang. Who talks to you like that?
My feet.
It's crazy. All these things everywhere.
Yes, I know. How many leaves do you gotta think? How many you think is like in this whole entire world? I know you never could count.
Billions, probably.
Over
Way over billions.
billions and trillions, right? All right, y'all. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. We're gonna get back in the house, y'all, because it's getting really cold. And it looks like it's gonna rain, so yeah. What a good day. See y'all soon.
Yeah, I hope you guys having a motivational day. Just keep being you. Stand tall and real tall. Stay focused. Right on your path. And keep writing sticky notes to keep your mind in the right standpoint in life, and just gotta get there every day. Keep yourself going through the right track and just stand still through the better times, through the harder times. Some days gonna be hard, but you can get through it no matter what. Don't let nobody distract you from thinking that you can't do what you can do. Keep putting an A+ through everything. And peace, you guys.